How to see who subscribed to you on YouTube. If you are looking for ways to see all your subscribers on YouTube channel, this video is for you. In order to see your subscribers on YouTube, it's pretty simple and easy. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your phone or laptop, make sure to open your favorite browser. In this case, I'm using my Chrome browser, so I'm gonna open it. In the address bar, I'm gonna type studio.youtube.com and make sure to tap on search. Allow it a bit of moment to finish loading, so you'll be prompted whether you want to open it through the app or you want to continue to studio in the browser version. Make sure to tap on continue to studio. Allow it a bit of moment to finish loading again. It will take a bit of time depending on your network, so be patient and allow it to do its things. One thing to be sure is you will see your subscribers live and colored. So there you are. If this is your first time launching this, you have to sign in with your Gmail account that you've created your YouTube channel with. In this case, I've already done it, so I've automatically landed on my channel. To view it properly, all you have to do is to zoom it a bit. In this case, these are my recent subscribers. In the last 90 days, I can proceed to tap on see all, and this will give me the list of all the subscribers that I'm having on my YouTube channel. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.